Hi, I'm Steve Elsmore, Technical Engineer here at Altecnic. Today I'm going to look at some of the essential tools for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of a heat pump system. The heat pump commissioning kit is designed to simplify the process of filling, flushing and adjusting systems to ensure optimum performance. Before we get into it, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, commissioning. It's a critical step in any heating system installation, especially heat pump systems. Proper commissioning not only ensures the system is set up correctly, but also helps it maintain its efficiency over time. The heat pump commissioning kit is specifically designed to make this process smoother and more effective for engineers. The kit is made up of a fill and flush valve, as we can see here, and a flow meter. So let's take a greater look at the components. The fill and flush valve is a crucial part of the kit. It combines two isolation ball valves, just these two here, and a T-ball valve there. It allows you to fill the system with fluid and flush the system with chemicals to ensure the internal components are free from debris and other contaminants. So if you imagine this is installed on a system, you'll be able to connect onto one port, flush through and drain out of the other. By incorporating both isolation valves and diverting functions, the system is allowed to save a bit of space, saves joints, makes things carrying out like route maintenance a lot easier. So moving on to our flow meter, which is also included in the kit, got you there. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It maintains a set flow rate between 10 and 40 litres per minute, which can be measured via the pull pin. The unit is also supplied with a nice insulation jacket there to minimise any heat losses. So why is the heat pump commissioning kit useful? It's a good question. The efficiency and the combination of the fill and flush valve on the flow meter helps to allow for a quick, efficient setup of the system. Along with easy future maintenance, the engineer-focused design means less joints, less leak paths and protects the client's investment. Finally, correct commissioning, regular maintenance are key to extending the life of any installation. The kit helps to ensure systems are always operating under optimal conditions, reducing the risk of breakdowns. Overall, the heat pump commissioning kit is a useful tool for anyone looking to maintain efficiency and reliability of their heat pump installation by making the process of filling, flushing and flow rate regulation more straightforward. This kit ensures that you not only keep these two things to a minimum, but also the efficiency and consistency of performance for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.